Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're back for another Windows command prompt tutorial. More specifically, today we're going to be talking about how to customize your command prompt for usability in case you have bad eyesight, or the combination of white and black bothers your eyes, or maybe you just want your console to look like the console from the Fallout games. You can certainly do that. And you're probably wondering to yourself, Larry, do you have to use a command to do that? And the answer is no. You just right-click up here at the top, anywhere on the edge of the window, and you go down to Properties, and the Command Prompt Properties window will pop out. This allows you to do things like increase the cursor size inside the command prompt so you can know where the little blinking cursor is. You can change what edit options are available. But mostly what I'm looking for, just for my own ease of use, is things like upping the overall view size of the font, because this is kind of small and it's also got a lot of empty space. I might as well just use up as much of that as possible. And I could also, if I wanted to, change which font that I'm using. There's a whole bunch of different fonts built in to the command prompt that you can use that might make this a lot easier for you to read because it's bigger, bolder, and chunkier. Like Lucida Console, I think I like that one, I'll keep that. You can change the default size of the window when you first open it, if you like. And then, of course, the main piece de resistance for a lot of people is where you can adjust what color everything is. Now, the one thing I don't like about this, which is kind of a throwback to the old school Windows, is that you actually have to know the RGB value to create your own colors. That said, there's a few okay presets in here. So if you don't want to jump on the web and find RGB color values for your favorite colors, you can just use these in a pinch. So for the background, I like that staying as a nice black. And for the text, if we want, we could totally make this look like Fallout, so that it's green text on a black background like it's an old CRT monitor. Or probably my preference, like a light teal color. And then I can change the overall opacity of the appearance of this so that it makes it's like it's hovering like a phantom so I can see what's going on behind it. I've actually seen a guy do that where he had like his notes behind his command prompt, so when he was typing, he could just read some of the commands that he didn't always remember. So that can be smart. It's really got a lot of functionality here that can make command prompt a lot more fun to use and a lot easier to use if you have different problems with your vision or anything else that might be limiting your ability to program on the computer. This might be able to help you. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick tutorial on where to find these settings and how to use them. I'm just going to hit OK and make changes here. And that'll probably be it for this tutorial. I hope that you've enjoyed, and moving forward, we'll have a brand spanking new Windows command prompt that looks smexy on top of being educational. That's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this has been educational. If not, you can always ask more questions in the comment section below, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.